Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have Chrome. Now start by launching it and stopping the sign-in flow. Go straight to Settings, then People, and turn off Offer to sign in or turn on Guest to avoid account prompts. Once done, create a local profile by clicking the profile icon and choosing Add without signing in. Make sure to name the profile and pick a theme so you can separate browsing data without linking to a Google account. Now focus on data control and privacy. You can import bookmarks from files and save them locally. Export them periodically so data stays off Google servers. Install extensions while remaining unsigned by using the web store or loading unpacked extensions. Be mindful of permissions. Then tighten privacy. Go to Privacy and Security, block third-party cookies, set Clear on Exit for history, and finish by double-checking that your profile indicates not signed in and that sync is disabled. This ensures bookmarks, history, and passwords remain local. Back up the profile folder to external storage for recovery, and consider using a dedicated browser profile for sensitive tasks. If Chrome still forces sign-in prompts or sync keeps returning, reset browser settings or use guest mode temporarily to bypass profile persistence. Troubleshooting tip: clear cookies and site data, then restart Chrome to remove stubborn sign-in prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.